Hello web developers, in this tutorial you'll learn how to create CSS3 animations using only CSS without writing any JavaScript. CSS animations are a simple and powerful way to add movement and visual effects to HTML elements, making your website more interactive and engaging. In this example we have an HTML image with the ID starobot. Inside the style section of the HTML document, we use the CSS animation property to animate that image. The animation is called starling. It runs for 5 seconds and repeats infinitely, creating a continuous animation effect. To define the animation, we use keyframes. Keyframes allow us to specify exactly what should happen at different stages of the animation. We define the starting state at 0%, the first transition at 25%, the half point at 50%, and the final state at 100%. After reaching the end, the animation starts over automatically because it is set to repeat infinitely. By learning CSS animations and the keyframes rule, you can create smooth transitions, animated images, buttons, menus, and many other effects without relying on JavaScript. CSS3 animations are an essential skill for every front-end web developer, and they are supported by all modern web browsers. What this example demonstrates is that the image has the ID starobot. The CSS animation property applies the animation named starling. The animation lasts 5 seconds. It repeats infinitely using infinite. The keyframe starling rule defines the animation at 0%. The image starts in its original position. 25% the image moves to the right and rotates 90 degrees. 50% the image moves down while rotating 180 degrees, and 100% the image returns to its starting position after completing a full 360 degrees rotation, then starts over automatically. As you can see in this part where we use keyframes. Now we will see that in the browser. So right down and to its original position while rotating. If you like this video or you find it useful or both, you can subscribe to my channel. See you next time.